Hello friends, this is Napeed from Best Spicy Recipes. I hope you're fine and healthy in these lockdown days. Today I want to make a special kind of tea. This tea is special for those women which have given birth newly, and those women that they are in their monthly period. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos. First I'm going to boil the water. Add 200 ml water. Keep the heat low. Water boils. Add black tea and gur. Remember friends, if you don't have gur, you can use sugar also. Add ginger also. Boil the ingredients just for 5 minutes. Keep the heat low. After 5 minutes, add 700 ml milk. Boil the milk just for 5 minutes in normal heat, or after 5 minutes add the walnut. You can use a walnut as much as you want. It is entirely up to you. Boil the walnut and milk just for 2 minutes in normal heat. The tea is ready, and it is very easy to make, and it is a good and powerful tea for women.